There's a gap when dealing with documents inside an AI tool that people are not talking about. It's the read-write gap, and it's the reason most projects fail in production. If you've built an AI agent that works with documents, you've hit this. Here's what an LLM handles well. It can read and understand documents, summarize and answer questions, extract structured data, classify document types, detect intent, and compare versions. Here's Claude doing exactly that, summarizing a document perfectly. But here's the other half, what they can't do. LLMs can't render PDFs, sign documents, redact permanently, or validate compliance. When I asked Claude earlier to summarize this document, it did it perfectly, but watch when I push it a step further. I asked Claude to make edits directly to the PDF, and it told me it can't. That's the gap in action. It understands the document, it cannot write to it. Most workflows need both, the ability to read and then write too. This is why pilots impress and production deployments stall. Who signs the output? Is the redaction permanent? Will it pass an audit? It's not fixable with a better prompt. LLMs are unpredictable by design. Document operations need to be exact, cryptographic, pixel accurate. You can't hallucinate your way to a valid digital signature. The solution is an infrastructure layer. The LLM decides, the infrastructure executes. The result is a finished, compliant document. The infrastructure layer is what Nutrient provides. I asked Claude if the Nutrient PDF editor is available in Cowork, and it is. Pixel-perfect rendering, redaction, signatures, forms, right inside Claude. MCP Server runs locally. Your documents don't leave your machine. The MCP Server connects any LLM to Nutrient's document infrastructure. Describe what you need in plain language. The server handles execution. It works with Claude, ChatGPT, LangGraph, and Cursor. It's open source, MIT licensed, and you can find the GitHub link in the description. This is the architecture. Your AI agent sits at the top, whatever LLM you're using. Below it is Nutrient, accessible via MCP Server, SDK, or API, and at the bottom is a full suite of document operations. The LLM reasons and decides. Nutrient executes. That's the complete document workflow. It works across every major agent framework, and it's free to try. To put it simply, the LLM handles the left column, Nutrient handles the right. Together, they cover the complete document workflow. And that's just the start. Nutrient also handles conversion, redaction, extraction, OCR, merging, splitting, watermarking, PDFA compliance, and annotations. If you're building an agent that processes documents end-to-end, needs auditable output, or operates in a regulated industry, this is the architecture you need. The LLM alone won't get you there. The read-write gap. LLMs read documents well. They can't write them. Nutrient bridges it with MCP Server, SDKs, and APIs for every agent framework. Free trial in the description. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.